Well, it's been raining all day. I've been underneath this Jeep for the majority because I'm tired of being stuck at the house. And when I put the planetary in yesterday, I forgot to change this. It was like the ultimate case of like blue balls, more or less. Because everything was going smooth. And I had sticky notes and everything. Telling myself, do not forget. Everything bolted up. And I was like, oh yeah, hell yeah. It ain't as bad as people say. Yeah, threw it down in every gear possible. No motion at all. No trying, no nothing. But it grinded a little in part. That's progress, I guess. But I was dying of thirst, I ain't gonna lie to you. I wanna change, if I can get on there. I'm going to change this one, or this one back here. I already pulled all the clips and everything off of it. Just something to do. That, and the faster I get this done, the faster I get like back out and about and not stranded in the house. Because some people are, homebodies. This body is shaped like a homebody. But let me tell you, I don't like being a home. I mean, occasionally I'll sit inside, play Xbox with everybody and whatnot. But for the majority, I mean, I don't know where my hammer went. Yeah, I have no clue. Also, I didn't take there's one boat holding a cross member. I didn't want to fight with it, man. It was just not being my friend. I'm not seeing the punch point. But you're going to have to lay over there for like 5 seconds. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Okay, well, never mind. Just use this. Now, it don't ever take a whole lot. You just barely gotta get it to pry. It'll come right on. Good stuff right there. And then, you look at all this goodness, and you kind of worry. You're like, damn, that's no good, man. That's a lot of work. Not really. You would honestly be surprised. The hardest part is getting the ring off and then beating it back through, because you got to take the case in half, beat it back through, and voila. But while I got it apart, I'm going to, I guess I screwed it back together. I'm going to put my cone on it. Bad as I don't want to. Probably my planetary, because everything's still good. The front case, or the back case, destroyed. Front case, destroyed. The tail, it made it. Yeah, fun stuff though. I mean, I'm not anywhere even remarkably close to being like a transmission person or a mechanically inclined person or anything close to that nature. I like how these fucking... Look at this. It just... Why you hate me for? Oh, when you act like that. There we go. And then let's take the case apart, just pow, 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 and they'll bing. You know what I mean? Yeah. It looks like a disaster, and that's because it is. I completely pulled everything out of the donor case, everything, all of it. Don't want it, don't need it. Sort of. Putting all my stuff in here. I'm literally just gonna switch cases and just put everything of mine in here and just have a grand old time. That needs to go back down. And no, I do not do any transmission work. Where's that? There we go. Get you good and even. And then get this big no-no ring started, I guess. I don't know. How the hell do you even get these things back in? You just get it started and then just walk it. I can't get my camera to look down when I'm looking down, because I am down. You know what I mean, Burn? Ow. Ow. But yeah. No. But you really gonna act like that while the camera's on, bro? That's messed up. That's foul. I'm gonna cheat just a little bit. Ta-da! Put the big walk wing in there. And then, shit, what do I need next? Not that. Yes, that. Put you... None of this is being cleaned at all. I just want every person ever to know. If you're looking for an expert, you've come to the wrong place. Because you see, I am very far from an expert. Why you being a hoe? Hoe? Where's the other one? Oh. Where'd the rod go? There we go. We'll use this one. Oh yeah, good and wore out. Best way to have them, no chip. Buttons alright. So if it's alright, it's alright. You know what I mean? Just that don't even fit that. That's not good. Okay. I got all this resituated. I've got shit everywhere. So I end up having to break that tab because I couldn't get the bolt out, but I don't give a fuck. I'm not putting fluid in, I don't give a fuck. And then I had to fight this fucking chain to get it off, which was stupid as a motherfucker to begin with. And then I pulled this planetary out so that I could get the 4-wheel drive modes changed. But I'm going to put my planetary down in it. It's different than that one. So I had to pull this one back out, all the snap rings, which I don't know why on earth Jeep put a million snap rings in these. But put this one back in, fought for 45 minutes to get this realigned back up. Got the chain on it. I know I'm forgetting something. I just don't know what it is. Is there a bearing? Yeah, there's a bearing. There's that. I mean, I gotta tighten that down a little bit, but who cares? I'm not reusing this cone. It's got the speed sensor and shit in it. I don't want that. But yeah, earlier I was prying and this stud came flying out, popped me right in the fucking jaw, so that was great. There's my demolished drive shaft. But I'm just gonna let it be a happy little accident. It's of course not gonna go on there when I need it to look smooth. What the Good. No operation. Ever heard of it? Did? I'm dying. I'm sweaty as bad as can be. I'm literal soaked. Like everything on me is drowned. I'm burning the fuck up. I've drank I don't know how many bottles of water, but I got a can of Monster, so that's not bad. But I'm gonna finish putting this together. Okay, I know it looks like a beautiful disaster. That's because it is. But the 247 is now going to be a 249, not a 242. All you have to do to get it to work, honest to God, is you take this one out and then you put the one from the 247 in it, and then let's see, what was it, and then you put this one on off your other one because it's going to be a U-joint style. This, just unbolt it, flip it upside down because it's on the bottom, take it to the top. And then you don't have to change the back cone. I did. I still haven't put the C-clips on it, wherever they are. I don't know. I hate them. But that's all you gotta do. Literally, just change this and this, and you're good to go. Just put the 249 in it and drive. That's all you gotta do, and you're good. Because every video that I've watched on YouTube, everybody talks about everything in the process of doing it all. Look here, you need what is it? You need nope, wrong one. You need a 5/8. You need a number 10 for these. 5/8 for these. And on these, if your studs don't come out, you're lucky. But those are 9/16. Pull your cross member, put a little jack under your transmission, lower it down, undo 6 bolts, pull it off. There you go. Pull this in 2. That's optional. I was just doing that because speed sensors and shit. Pull it in half, then you know, you're going to have to move this, fight it, whatever. Pull this one out. There's a little lock ring on the front of them. Well, you can't see it now because I put this back on there. And put yours in, drop the 249 planetary back down in it. I left my 247 out. Seal it back up. Change this. Flip this. Put your little breather hose back on. And you're done. Pretty much. That's it. Right there. No stupid 19-minute long video of explaining every inch of everything. Just a very quick summary.